Good morning and welcome to Sheila's Homestead. So this week I'm taking you to a home that I just listed. It's at 6118 Northwest Duke Circle in Port St. Lucie. It's a beautiful home. It's a 322. We have it listed at $370,000, and tomorrow we're doing the open house, Saturday from 1 to 4. So come join me there. But what I'm going to show you as well is what the house looked like before I staged it, and then the after pictures of how I staged it. So come with me and I'll show you how that was done. Here's the before of the living room. So the seller's already moving out and packing up his stuff, and it's pretty empty now. So here's the dining room, here's the living room. So we've just got that one couch left there, and in the master bedroom we just have the queen bed. So that's the new carpet that was put in last week, which is beautiful. And in the kitchen, he's packing up his kitchen stuff. And we're going to just clear all these counters and stage it. So here is the staging, and here's the entryway with the little table and mirror, and just really warms up the space. And then in the living room, I pulled it together with that carpet, the matching sofas. That picture there came from Kirkland. And in the dining room, we've got this handmade wooden table, which is gorgeous, and I got that off Facebook Marketplace. And the chairs are from ABC Consignment, which I love. Hello, Stacy. And that picture up there, I went pretty quick, but that picture was from Frugal Framer. So here's another view of the living room. And then, a couple of pieces I've picked up of where people are selling their homes and they don't want the pieces anymore, so I picked them up. And I just love the way that looks. And here in the breakfast area, we've got this little kitchen set here, this little dining set, and that came off of Facebook Marketplace. And then, of course, I stage all of my tabletops, stage the counters, little home deck, little kitchen items. You've got your colander of fruit, my little lemon plant there. And I'm just really happy with how the staging came out in this house. And then in the family room, the seller still had this gray couch here, so I had to combine that and work that into the decor, and that painting on the wall was also there. So, I combined it with a light gray couch of mine, and I blended all the woods together and pulled it all together with this white carpet, which I love. That came from Home Goods. And I replaced all his curtains with my white curtains, which I just really like the way that brightens the rooms and lets a lot more light in. So I'm really, really happy with how this looks. And here we have the second bedroom. So I've done this room with twin beds and put all the bedding in, a couple of little bureaus, a lamp, and that also had the new carpeting in it. And this is the master. So the master was a little challenging because he had a queen mattress that I had to work with. And so I had to fill it with a lot more furniture than I normally do, but I really like the way it came out. It looks beautiful. So I've got two big bureaus in here. I brought in a little love seat and a little bench at the end of the table, at the end of the bed, and then a little chair in the corner. So I really filled it with furniture so that you could see the space in here. And of course, I've got all my home deck on the countertops, on the tabletops. And then this is the master bathroom, which also we, brought the towels in, all the little things that warm it up. The bath mat, the countertop, little home deck items, and just all those little touches change a room dramatically. So again, really happy with how this turned out. Here's a last look, and there's that picture I was talking about from Frugal Framer on that back wall. And the other pictures up on the walls in the bedroom and the living room came from Kirkland. And actually those tables right there, those wooden tables, they came from Hobby Lobby. So here's a little last spin to see the final product. Thanks so much for joining me again this week. Always appreciate it. And I hope you found the staging interesting. I know for me, it's like my favorite part of the job. I love staging. So I love transforming a space. So if you know of anybody who has a real estate or staging needs, please give me a call. And if you know of anyone who is interested in this home, it's a beautiful home. I'm sure it's going to sell quick. give me a call at 516-236-8895. And if you ever have any questions about any of my videos, where I get my things, where I shop, prices, or anything, feel free to reach out to me. Happy to share my information. So, as always, remember, everyone needs a Sheila.